हेलो एंड गुड आफ्टरनून गाइस, रेडियो जिंदगी सुन रहे हैं आप 1550 AM पर एंड विदाउट फेल एवरी ट्यूसडे आते हैं हम लेकर साथ डॉक्टर साकेत भाटिया को फॉर यू ऑफ कोर्स बिकॉज ही गाइड्स यू, ही हेल्प्स यू getting to your good future, to your success. I am talking about internationally renowned astrologer Dr. Saket Bhatia, who has a PhD in the subject of astrology and is also a certified numerologist. With over 25 years of experience and more than 12,000 plus satisfied clients, he is also a board member of International Association of Vedic Astrology and Numerology. And हमारे साथ लाइव हैं वो अभी. This is the opportunity for all of you to give us a call on the studio line. If you have any questions, we'll be opening the lines in just 5-7 minutes. If you would like to connect with Dr. Saket Bhatia for any astrological or numerological need, do call him directly 408 639 5300. Once again, the number where you can reach Dr. Saket Bhatia directly is 408 639 5300. Once again, it's 408 639 5300. Or you can log on to his website saketbhatia.com. First and last name saketbhatia.com. And for all the quick questions right now during the show time, do call us 510-770-1550. Hello, happy Tuesday.
Happy Tuesday, Vedika, and welcome to all the listeners of Radio Zindagi. It's good to be back. It's been an eventful week for everyone.
Absolutely.
काफी कुछ हो रहा है, economy में भी काफी कुछ हो रहा है. There's a global war going on. The Fed has cut rates, so hopefully it works out well for all of us. हम जब आए थे तो यही बात कर रहे थे कि the economy is not all that healthy, but apparently the stock market keeps going up for some unknown reason.
Yes.
So we are going back to astrology because इसका purpose ये है कि many people are coming into the office. There are many people losing their jobs. Some people who wanted to start businesses are not able to because there is no funding available. And there are so many people who have just lost and going back to India or different countries.
Oh yeah.
It's-
That's a big thing happening.
It's kind of sad when you see all this, you know. It's putting a lot of pressure on people emotionally, financially. Families are getting split. This is all part of life. But again, you have to ask yourself, why is it happening to some people and not others? तो हम पैटर्न देखते हैं चार्ट्स में. वी आर सीइंग 10th हाउस पे असर दिख रहा है, फाइनेंसेस पे असर दिख रहा है. सो लास्ट वीक वी स्पोक अबाउट भावास, द 12 डिफरेंट हाउसेस इन एस्ट्रोलॉजी, राइट.
जी.
वी वर ओनली एबल टू कवर 7 हाउसेस.
Yes.
हमने ये भी कहा था कि भावा मीन्स स्टेट, अ स्टेट. व्हाट इज द स्टेट ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर हाउस? एंड आई ट्राइड टू एक्सप्लेन गोइंग फ्रॉम हाउस 1 to 7 कि घर का मीनिंग क्या होता है. Remember, the first house is about you.
You.
It's how you look, your personality, your face. It also is the hair on your head. It is your teeth, your bones. Everything is first house. अगर first house strong है, first house lord strong है, उसके planet strong है, aspect strong है, it's a beautiful chart. लेकिन अगर किसी की beautiful chart नहीं है, then which is almost 99.99% of the times, then we have some other issues. Then we have to analyze कि ये first house के ऊपर क्या असर पड़ रहा है. Second house is wealth, values, early childhood days, speech,
Right.
how you will earn your money, how you will provide for others. It is also जब what is dear to you, jewelry, gold, वो दिखता है वहाँ से. The type of hearing you will have, and for women I said it is the left eye, for men it is the right eye.
Right.
अब third house पे आते हैं. Now you've grown up a little. The third house, hopefully parents have another child, so that is younger siblings. Then that is also the house of courage, house of hobbies, because by that time you have some hobbies. It's your friends who you've met in school. छोटे छोटे जो schools होते हैं उसमें short term, short distance travel भी start हो जाता है third house में. If your third house lord is well placed in 11th, then we know that hobbies can give you good income.
Yeah, right.
अगर third house 12th में है, then we know you will foolishly spend on your hobbies. अगर third house 7th में है, chances are your partner will be from a similar circle, similar background, common hobbies, common interests.
Oh.
अगर third lord 8th में बैठा है, it can also say there's complete loss or destruction of your hobbies at some point of time. Then fourth house आता है, which is formal education, like maybe your bachelor's degree. It's also the house of mother, home, happiness, vehicles, property. What makes you happy? Where you go back in life और आपको क्या अच्छा लगता है? Now fifth house आ गया. That's the house of speculation, intelligence, romance. इसे हम पिछले जन्म की good deeds भी कहते हैं.
Even
So,
kids.
kids, it is the single house for kids, yes. So good aspects makes it easy to have kids. Bad aspects gives you child little later in life.
Delayed. Yeah.
No aspects on it can mean no children sometimes. अगर ये fifth house पे if we see a separative effect like Sun, Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, from both the Sun ascendant, the Sun and Moon ascendant, then we know कि child separation is likely, which means children will disown you or you will disown kids. ये divorce में बच्चे चले जाते हैं. That's a possibility. Now we come to sixth house, which is house of service. People जो आपके under काम करेंगे, the type of job you will do, debts you will have, litigation, enemies, ये सब sixth house से देखते हैं. Then we came to the seventh house. Now remember, seventh is exactly across from first.
First.
First is where you were born. The seventh can represent where you will stay. अगर उस पे कुछ बुरे aspect है, then we know you're going to stay back home. अगर अच्छे aspect है, then chances are you'll migrate overseas. Seventh house is also house of business, partnership, spouse. So हम पता चलता है when we want to study when you will get married, we have to look at seventh house, the seventh house lord and the Karak. Karak is significator. Jupiter for woman, Venus for man. When we look at seventh house, generally शादी होती है when Venus is rising, not when Venus is setting. Remember that simple rule. Also शादी होती है राहु दशा में for man woman. शादी होती है जब कोई planet aspect कर रहा है उसकी दशा आए या जो planet उसमें बैठा है उसकी दशा आए. So it is pretty easy to figure out कि शादी कब होनी है. It is hard to figure out कि शादी
कैसी टिकनी है.
I didn't even complete. Vedika, thank you. So Vedika was kind enough to complete that for me. Now we are done with 7 houses. अब हम आगे चलेंगे. We will discuss the 8th house. 8th house is an infamous
before
house.
we jump on to the 8th house and start our conversation, let me quickly remind the listeners that now is the time. If you have any question, you can call us. Studio lines are open now. 510-770-1550 is the number. If you have any question, you can call and talk to Dr. Saket Bhatia right now. This is a live show. He is live with us in the studio. So give us a call, 510-770-1550 for all your questions, or connect with him after the show directly, 408-639-5300, और उनकी वेबसाइट है saketbhatia.com, or you can write to him info@saketbhatia.com. The Saket Bhatia Astrology Show is on. अभी सुन रहे हैं आप live. So give us a call for any questions. Yes.
So 8th house is an infamous house of the house of destruction. A few shows ago we spoke about Bhavat Bhavam, जो concept होता है house to house. See, as an astrologer वो देखना पड़ता है. You cannot just say हम mother की health 4th house से देखेंगे. You must study mother's health from 4th house, fourth from
the fourth house.
moon, and 4th from moon. Then you get a better idea कि mother की health कैसी होगी. You must also look at the appropriate divisional chart. 8th house is the house of death, destruction. 8वें से 8वां घर दूर is the second house.
Okay.
12वें से second house. 12वें से 8 houses away is the 7th house. That's why these second and 8 houses are also called Markesh or killer houses. जब इनकी दशा आती है, when there are planets that own these houses or planets that sit in these, then there is a chance that your health will get hampered.
Right.
It's not going to cause death, but it definitely hampers your health.
But it could, right?
It could. Markesh dasha mein that's a possibility. So 6th house is the house of delays, obstruction. 8th house is the house of breaks. There's a difference. एक delay देता है, एक suddenly खत्म कर देता है. It is also the house of how you will die.
Oh.
This is also indicating of the length of your life. It also indicates how much property you will inherit. For example, अगर यह 8th lord जो death का है, अगर आपके 10th house में आ गया, then you deal with other people, dead people's money, life insurance policies, wills, transformation. That's what you do. People who work in prisons or people who work with in hospice or some places where people are on the deathbed, 8th जो death का है वो उनके career में आ जाता है. On the other hand, if your career lord goes in 8th, then that means you could have destruction of your career. or work in such fields which are related to unfortunately dead people.
Okay.
Work in a cemetery, work in places jahan par-
Forensic studies.
forensic studies would be beautiful. Eighth house is also house of hidden desires. What you have deep inside you which nobody can see.
Okay.
So when we see Venus, we know this person likes luxuries. He likes a lot of passion in life. But बाहर की दुनिया को नहीं
नहीं
दिखता.
पता है.
It is also the house of inheritance.
Okay.
How much money you will inherit from your parents, uncles, aunties, वो भी इस घर से दिखता है. If there are good aspects, it's great. It can also indicate drugs. It can indicate other
Oh.
abnormal things that you might be interested in doing in your life. Eighth house also indicates reproductive organs in male and female. तो अगर इन पे कोई डैमेज है, then we understand कि there is a problem in that particular zone. So mental anguish is also eighth house. So this is not a best house. Generally यहाँ पर अच्छे planets नहीं होने चाहिए. बुरे planets हो सकते हैं.
Okay.
और
अच्छे नहीं होने
अच्छे नहीं होने
चाहिए. Because
चाहिए.
that will enhance the bad effect.
It will enhance the bad effect of that planet. So, for example, if Venus, which is a very good planet, the planet of luxury, beauty, अगर ये यहाँ आ जाता है, then either you will do crazy things to get those luxuries in life, या वो जो है वो suppress होके रह जाएंगे, and there'll always be something you can't show. So be careful वहाँ कौन सा planet बैठा है. Ideally, we don't want anything there.
Okay.
Right? And then remember, sixth was the house of short-term disease. Eighth is the house of terminal illness.
Illness. Yeah.
So if you're suffering from cancer, it could be sixth if it's curable. But अगर cancer eighth में दिखता है, then we know for a fact इसकी treatment नहीं होगी. People who have some degenerative disorders which just can't be treated today, हम eighth house से देखते हैं. That could be the cause of death, or that could be a disease which will not be cured for that particular individual. Eighth house.
Okay.
तो काफी दिखता है एक house से. Now we can move to ninth house.
After I have a question.
Yes.
So as you are saying that there are many things which can be found out with just one house, like n number of things. So once you see that there is something you can see in that, so it could be either of them, then what is the next level to find what exactly to pinpoint the problem?
So let's say we are looking at eighth house.
Eighth house, yeah.
Or make it easier. Okay, eighth house. So eighth house में अगर कुछ गलत है, then we know कि something is getting hit. It doesn't mean everything is getting hit. You could still
Either
get
of
your
them.
inheritance. You could still have a long life, but you could have a terminal illness. अभी illness का planet कौन सा है? Saturn. हम देखेंगे इस पे aspect कौन सा है. If
Okay.
Saturn is aspecting that house, then we know कि disease है. If Saturn is aspecting, we know कि inheritance होगी लेकिन late होगी. If Moon is aspecting, we know property मिलेगी आपको, but emotional damage करके जाएगी. अगर Jupiter वहाँ बैठे, we know he is going to expand, but that expansion is going to cause contraction in the future. आपको फलेगा नहीं वो. So you have to first see कि कौन सा when we have an astrology session, we ask you, this is what we are seeing. The eighth house has this. Have you got this? And you'll say, no, I have not got inheritance. And we'll say, okay, that is ruled out. But Saturn दिख रहा है. How is your health? How is so-and-so region of your body? Have you been tested for cholesterol for that matter? So you have to narrow down, because remember, house is one thing and planets are something else. Every planet rules something else. Sun rules the first house. Sun is your head.
Yes.
अगर sun आपका 8th house में बैठा है, then we know there is possibility of injury to head. अगर Mars उसको aspect कर रहा है, then we know you're going to have surgery on your head, and we know that could be terminal.
Oh, it
अगर
can be
Sa-
that specified.
Yes, अगर
Wow.
Saturn भी उसको देख रहा है, then we know that it's going to be a long-term surgery. But अगर राहु बैठा है, let's say Rahu Moon is sitting in 8th house. Rahu Moon generally causes you to go a little insane. That insanity is going to be a problem.
Okay.
And Rahu in the 8th is going to directly aspect 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12th house. So mental asylum के chances बढ़ जाते हैं आपके.
Wow.
See,
But
think
that
of,
is wonderful.
you have to understand what a planet is, what sign it represents, and what house it represents. It's not as straightforward. Jupiter, जो 5th house का lord है, suppose, he represents kids for 5th house. But for 6th house he'll represent liver. तो अलग हो गया.
Oh yeah.
अगर liver 8th में आ गया, Jupiter is in 8th, but if he's representing 6th house, then liver problem. If
Short
he's
term.
if he's representing, no,
Eighth.
if he's representing children,
Okay.
which is 5th lord, in the 8th, loss of children.
Oh.
Is it death of children? Separation of children? ये नहीं पता. Is it denial of children? That is what we have to see. फिर दशा आ जाती है.
But that is all these things, all these specifications which you just mentioned so casually. I think that is all the nature of 25 years of hard work in this field. And with that, I would like to remind listeners that if you have any question, if you have any concerns, anything you're going through in life, do connect with Dr. Saket Bhatia and you might find a solution with his help. PhD hai in astrology and also a certified numerologist right here in this studio with us. Do call and ask any question you have in your mind. 25 years of experience and many, many satisfied clients around the globe. You can be one of those, of course. Connect with him 408 639 5300. That's the number 408 639 5300. Or visit saketbhatia.com, the website. Or you can call us right now. Abhi studio line mein Dr. Saket Bhatia is live with us. We have half an hour in the show. Do call us with your questions 510-770-1550. Once again, the studio line number where you can call right now for a quick question. That is 510-770-1550. जी.
9th house की बात करते हैं. 5th house was house of past life, what you've got. 9th house is what you will take into your next life.
Okay.
So if you have nothing in the 5th, that's okay. If you have something good in 9th, that's brilliant. Agle janam mein something very good is going to happen based on your deeds. Now, 9th house is also called Bhavya Bhag, which means the house of luck. ये destiny का house है. This is the house of higher intelligence. People who do research, we see it in this house. जो spirituality का घर है, ये है. The very first show I still remember, I said, he who is spiritual is very lucky. This is seen from the 9th house. We want 9th house to be good. We want 9th house to be strong. ये father का भी घर है. ये long term travel का भी घर है. This is a very interesting house. It is the house of business में import export publication and foreign residence. Now we've gone from the 8th, so we've come down to the hips and thighs. ये hip thigh bone का region है. So for all you people who are getting pain in the hip, pain in the thigh bone, it has to be the 9th house. 9th house is a very lucky house. If your 9th house is damaged, you have some issue in your chart that needs to be resolved. If your 9th lord is weak, the full chart becomes very weak. 9th lord has to be strong. Uski dignity has to be strong. Its placement has to be strong.
So we will continue with that. Can we quickly take a call?
Sure.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, can you hear
Hello.
us?
Yes, I can.
I think the call dropped.
Yeah. So if you're trying to call us, do give us a call back 510-770-1550. Studio line ka number hai. Lines are open now. You can call us back 510-770-1550. And we have around 35 more minutes in the show. So 9th house की हम बात कर रहे थे, and you said, as you said that this house represents all we are gonna take in our next life. But वो तो like at the end of the life decide होगा, right? As we are living.
That's not true.
That's not true.
Very easy way to look at it is you have two buckets. I'm going to keep it easy because nobody knows.
Okay.
Okay, ये सब हमारी analysis है. This is all our assumption. Nobody knows. Nobody is clairvoyant. Let's start with that.
Okay.
हमारी assumption है there is a good deed bucket and a bad deed bucket. And then there are all the deeds you're doing here. If you're doing good deeds, वो जो bucket है उसमें good में fill होते जा रहा है.
Okay.
If you're doing something bad, वो उसमें fill होते जा रहा है. Let's say you're dead. Unfortunately, now you have to come back. There is somebody out there, you can't wait and say, good deed, bad deeds, let's do this. No, they will send you down. And when they send you down, at that particular time, a good deed bucket and bad deed bucket have been reduced.
Oh.
ये
Okay.
deeds के साथ तुम पैदा हुए हो. इस घर में पैदा हुए, इस body में पैदा हुए, इस structure form में पैदा हुए हो, and that's the way it's going to be. And then you again do good deeds and bad deeds. So as an astrologer, when we see a blind leper beggar on the road, होता है, right? It doesn't mean we were told as young kids, इसने probably पिछले जन्म में कुछ बहुत गलत किया होगा.
Right.
That's not true. No, उसने कुछ गलत नहीं किया पिछले जन्म में. It is possible कि all his bad deeds just came in one janam. Now he's got bucket of good deeds left. His life can be easier going forward. Yes, it is possible he's done a lot of bad things too, but highly unlikely. On the other hand, if you are born to be one of the richest people in the world, it doesn't mean आपने पिछले जन्म में कुछ ऐसा किया है. No, but being rich or poor does give you the opportunities to do better or not. So if you're born rich, and for people listening, if you have extra capital, you have some money, help people. Help those who need it. Believe me, it is more powerful than any other remedy out there. It's just a good thing. Help those in need. It's not hard. It makes you feel good. It makes them feel good. And it reflects better on your character. ये छोटी छोटी चीजें कर लो, लाइफ अच्छी जाएगी आपकी. Stop chasing money, health. Help those who really don't have anything. You know, this will...
Truly said. And as I have this opportunity to ask questions and I'm using mine very well, you also have that. Do give us a call right now. You have time in the show. Definitely we have 30 more minutes in the show. You can call us and you can ask any question you have in your mind. आप डॉक्टर साकेत भाटिया से लाइव क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं. अभी कॉल कीजिए 5107701550. स्टूडियो लाइन का नंबर है 5107701550. और आप डॉक्टर साकेत भाटिया से डायरेक्टली कॉल पे बात कर सकते हैं बाय डायलिंग 408-639-5300. बट फॉर क्विक क्वेश्चन राइट नाउ 5107701550. Can we take a quick call?
Sure.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia.
Hi there.
Hello.
Hello, can you hear me?
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia. Can you hear us?
Either phone problem or call dropped.
I don't know. Let's try. Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia.
Hi, I would like.
Yeah, I think let me take calls off air. We can
That's
continue.
fine.
Yes.
तो क्या होता है? Let's say you're a QA specialist. You work in a company. There's a set process. There's a methodology that says you have to test this, you have to start with this, you have to document this, and you have to end with this. Same way, हमारे साथ भी astrology में ऐसा ही है. There is a set process. When somebody meets you, you don't just start by saying what is your question. You start by first preparing at least an hour and studying कि इनकी chart कैसी है. When you were, let's say Vedika, you come in to meet me for an astrology session. 1 hour before, at least at a bare minimum, your chart must be made. We have to study for an hour without asking you any questions. And then we see the strengths and weakness. And then when you come in for the first 10 minutes, we will show you your chart, explain you what astrology is, कौन सा planet कहाँ बैठा है, so you're comfortable. And then we start by asking you why you're here and how we can help you. For all you know, you may be asking us the wrong questions. And believe me, 80% people are asking us the wrong questions. Always. जो question पूछना चाहिए वो पूछते नहीं. People are always focusing on short term when the short term problem always gets fixed, but long term जो आ रहा है वो नहीं देखते.
Right. Can we try taking another call?
Sure.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
I have a question for my daughter. Her date of birth is February 12, 2000.
February 12, 2000.
2009.
Okay. And this is for your daughter. Place of birth.
Place of Redwood City, California.
Okay. And time of birth.
Time of birth is 8:12 or 8:08. One of that.
It wouldn't matter. Trust me, इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता. PM, right?
AM. I apologize.
Okay.
AM.
Let's
AM.
say 8:12.
Yeah, Bara. And before I give my question, I just want to say a big thank you to you for doing these knowledgeable sessions. I never knew anything about astrology. I listen to your radio, to your show every week, and I think now I'm getting a little bit hang of it.
Well, good.
Trying to understand. Thank you again. Thank you so much. And yes, now back to my question. मेरी बच्ची के फ्रेंड्स नहीं बनते हैं. फ्रेंड बनते हैं 1-2 महीना, बहुत अच्छी फ्रेंड्स होती है, फिर टूट जाती है. फिर से फ्रेंड्स बनते हैं, फिर से टूट जाते हैं. So she keeps moving from one set of friends to another set of friends, but she doesn't have a stable set of friends.
Okay.
तो थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है स्कूल में.
So your daughter is born February 12, 2009, 8:12 in the morning in Redwood City.
Yes.
Yeah. She happens in Vedic astrology. She is a Aquarius. That means her sun is in Aquarius and her ascendant is Aquarius. Agar she is very young, For young people, we will look at the third house. जैसे हमने show में कहा था, the third house is early childhood, it is friendship. She's very, very young for us to look at any other house. If you notice her chart, she has Mandi, Galika Mandi sitting in her third house. That is the house of friendship. Whenever you have Galika Mandi Dasha, which is still running, it will cause problems. It will cause her to have issues with friend. This particular Dasha started in 2018 and it will continue till November of 2025. Once November 2025 is done, now Rahu Dasha kicks in. And Rahu has a direct aspect on this house. So don't worry about this. You're talking about her not having friends. I am not even worried. I am least worried about this. She will have friends. Just give it some time. Dasha achhi hai. All the planets are in her favor. I don't see anything bad in this kundali. She does have a debilitated Jupiter. Debilitated Jupiter is something, we don't discuss this on radio. It's always offline. Look into it. You're trying to learn astrology. So look कि Jupiter जब debilitated होता है, what it does. It makes the chart slightly weak. Question about friendship, I'm not worried. Just give it another 1 year. Rahu Dasha आएगी, then you will complain and call me and say, she has too many friends. Now what do we do? नहीं उल्टा होगा. Rahu does that. It is going to do that. Not only Rahu is going to do that, but Saturn is going to be also transiting away. उस पे कोई गलत असर नहीं पड़ रहा है. There is only positive aspects on those planets. Okay, she'll be fine. No worries.
और कोई temporary solution है क्या नवंबर तक? Because she gets very depressed and she cries. इसलिए हमने आपको फोन किया. You know, she's a little teenager who likes to hang out, likes to, you know, have more friends. But
Astrology में remedies क्या है? The third house is sitting in the 12th. Mars is exalted. The debilitation of Jupiter is partly cancelled because of the exaltation of Mars. दूसरी कुंडली में भी मून, देखिए रेमेडी देयर रियली इजंट एनी. Honestly, I wish there was, but there is none. If you like, you can call us offline because remedy हम ये बोल सकते हैं कि you know ये planet को strong कर दो. But if you really want one, I think you can go strengthen Mars. Mars का day होता है Tuesday. You can donate something red to a temple on a Tuesday. Red dal,
Okay.
chana dal, red flowers, red anything red.
Oh.
You know, red books.
Even wheat?
okay.
No?
No. Vedika is almost an astrologer, but not there yet. Wheat wouldn't work. Anything red.
Okay.
Okay? Try that.
Okay.
That should help.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay, thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Bye.
Thank you so much for your call. If you have more questions, do call Dr. Saket Bhatia directly, 408-639-5300. Let's take another call.
Sure.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia. Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yeah,
I
hi.
can hear you. Go ahead.
Hi.
Yeah, so this is regarding my son. I would like to know whether next year, he's a senior in Fremont, so we would like to know if he can get into a good college next year or...
Okay. What is his date of birth?
It's February 26th, 2007.
Okay.
The time is 11 a.m. 11:02 or 11 a.m. I think.
It wouldn't matter. And place of birth?
It's Bangalore,
India. Okay.
India.
So Chennai.
Bangalore.
No, Bangalore.
Karnataka.
Okay. Bengaluru. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And your question is, will he get into a good college? Can you describe what a good college means?
I mean, he has some health issues, so he has been on not an average student. So, but we would just like to see because of so he does not have too many, I would say, like accreditations to his essays and things like that, activities that he would have done. He does not stand out that very nicely. So just wanted to check, like, whatever he deserves, right, or whatever colleges he is applying, will he really get into any of those as well?
Okay. So again, I always like to repeat Feb 26, 2007 at 11 o'clock in the morning, right?
Right, Bangalore.
So
India.
bachelor's, we always study from 4th house, and master's we study from 5th, research from 9th, and PhD from 11th. he is going for bachelor's program, right?
Right.
He has Galika Mandi in the bachelor's program sitting at this time. That means every time Moon Dasha will come, there will be problem, but there is no Moon Dasha right now. He also has retrograde Saturn. Retrograde Saturn is likely he is going to be sitting close to where you are, which means he's not going to go very far. Will he complete his degree? Yes. It might take a little more time than normal, but he is starting Jupiter Dasha in 2024. He starts that Dasha a week ago. That planet will be aspecting him, so his degree will be complete. That is not a worry.
Okay.
Degree will be complete, and then Saturn Dasha kicks in, which is a better part of his life. So career will also be there. I'm not worried. The only thing that I see, like you said, Saturn is aspecting his 6th house, which is disease. Mercury, which is the lord of 6th house, is completely combust. When a planet is combust, it affects health, na? So take care of his health. That needs to be under check. Rahu is a planet that also causes disease. Now, unfortunately, this is something which is not going to be cured very easily in your son. Look into
Yeah,
it.
right.
Yeah, it cannot be
Yeah,
cured.
because-
Huh?
Yeah, it cannot be cured. That's right, actually, because whatever disease he has, obviously he does not have some few glands in his body, right? So yeah.
Yeah, there is medical science is best. As an astrologer, all I know is Mercury is the planet of health and disease, and that is combust with Rahu. So they will constantly, increase. I don't see your son's health going anywhere bad till 2040, but definitely after 2040, you must look more carefully into it. Yes, he will get into school. Yes, he will complete his degree. There is no second thought about that.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. I really appreciate your time.
No
Thank
problem.
You. Yeah.
Whenever a good planet like Jupiter aspects Saturn, he keeps him under check. That means
Okay.
Saturn is not able to cause as much suffering as you want. Remember that. Otherwise, Saturn, if left unchecked, will cause havoc in many charts. It depends on the degree also of Saturn, right?
Can we take one more call quickly?
Sure.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia.
Hi.
Yeah, go ahead.
Hi.
My date of birth is August 22nd, 1981. And the time is 3:40
AM or PM?
AM.
Okay.
AM. And place of birth is Hyderabad.
Okay.
So just wanted to know about my career, like the next couple of years. Like, is there any change in the job, or how is it going to be?
There was an opportunity for you to change your job last year.
Okay.
Did you make that change? You had a very
Oh,
good
yeah, it
opportunity. It happened.
Yeah, it happened. Yeah.
So, if I'm looking at your kundli, right? You're a Cancer ascendant.
Okay.
Your ascendant lord is sitting in 10th house, which is the house of career. Remember,
Okay.
in astrology, wherever your ascendant lord sits, that house will be safe.
Okay.
Your moon is very strong. Your house will be
Okay.
safe. You don't have
Okay.
any bad aspects. Are you looking to switch jobs again? What do you want to do?
No, I'm not looking to switch any job, but with the current situation, I just wanted to make sure that my job is going to stay and it's going to go fine.
Okay. So, in order to do that, we'll have to look at the transit, right? Which is the planet which is in transit today. So, right now you have no negative aspects and you have a Jupiter Dasha. Bear with me for 1
Okay.
second while I see which other planet is coming on this. You don't have
Okay.
any negative aspects, you don't have any positive aspects, which makes that house kind of vulnerable. All I can see is that you will have some issues in your job, but that comes in 2027. Nothing at this point.
Okay.
Right now you're running Jupiter Saturn Dasha. Jupiter Saturn, yeah, they're not going to cause problem for you. No.
Okay.
Watch
Thank you.
if you have pen paper, mark May 26th, 2025. That between that and December of 2025, you must make sure nothing, everything goes okay for you. Other than that, you should be fine till the dates I told you. No problem.
So May 2025 to December 2025?
Yeah, that is not a good time for your job actually.
2025.
Yeah, which is next year. May of next year till December of next year is not good for your job. Otherwise, you're absolutely fine till 27.
Okay.
Okay? Good luck. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for your calls, listeners. आप सुन रहे हैं द साकेत भाटिया एस्ट्रोलॉजी शो. We are left with around 18 more minutes in the show. You can give us a call if you have any quick question. Studio lines are open 510-770-1550. And after the show, you can connect with Dr. Saket Bhatia directly by calling 408-639-5300. Once again, the number is 408-639-5300. Or do visit saketbhatia.com, the website, which is the best source for all the information regarding Dr. Saket Bhatia. You can write to him info@saketbhatia.com.
See, when you look at a chart,
Ji.
you have to look at, so when a caller calls, my date of birth is this, my time of birth is this. The first thing we do is we make your chart, and then we quickly look at all the planets, which one is exalted, which one is debilitated. And then before you can even ask your question, we look at the Navam's chart to see कि इसमें potential है कि weakness है. Then we look at planets if they are in Gandanta or they are Vargottam, उनकी degree क्या है, aspects क्या है, because we have that open in front of us. And then when you ask us the question, it takes us at least a few seconds before we can give an answer. So asking a question like, will I get a job or will I lose a job, is good. But a better question will be, should I be doing a job or starting a business? What field should I be in? Because these are more difficult questions to answer.
Right.
इन्हें हमें ज़्यादा time लगता है. This is spot on, and I like this because you get that one question answer. But I'm always telling people, go beyond that one question. Try
Yes.
understanding where your chart is, what your strength is, what your weakness is, because that will help you. Sometimes there is no solution, like that lady who said, my son or my daughter is not getting friends. She's going to have tons of friends a little later. So just bear with it, because एक phase होता है life का, something
Right.
happens.
Yeah.
You can't do anything, right?
So, and as you always say that we need to ask right questions. So, कई बार one quick question में we don't know if we are asking the question we should be asking. So, I think मिलना बहुत important है और सभी aspect पे बात करना बहुत important है. So, listeners do connect with Dr. Saket Bhatia directly और आप उनसे मिल सकते हैं, बात कर सकते हैं. You can start with a phone call 408-639-5300 or do visit the website to get all the contact information regarding him. saketbhatia.com is the website. So we have couple of more callers. Can we quickly take a call?
Sure.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia. Thanks for holding. Hello, can you hear us?
The beauty of a chart
Hello.
is when a woman's chart is read, it has to be analyzed different from a man's chart. So that complicates things a little more further.
Okay.
But we are reading it.
Hello.
Let's see. Yeah. Hi, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia. Go ahead with your question.
Yeah, hi. My date of birth is February 21st, 1988, and time is 5:11 a.m.
And your place
I
of
have
birth?
a place of birth is Mumbai, Maharashtra.
Where in Mumbai? I am from Mumbai too.
Borivali.
Acha, I am from Worli.
Oh, nice. Okay. Apart from each other, but yeah.
Why apart? We're still here. We're now
Yeah,
in
we're
Fremont.
still here. Let's go.
Acha, so
So
again,
my question is,
what is your name by the way?
my name is Chintan.
Okay, Chintan.
Hanji. So, sir, I am scheduled to go for a major surgery in November. So I just wanted to know if it's a good time to go or any kind of consequences I should be aware of.
Okay, let's repeat that. February 21st, 1988 at 5:11 in Mumbai.
Yes.
Okay, I am looking at your chart. अभी इस कुंडली में you're supposed to go for major surgery, right?
Yes.
See, sixth lord is surgery. वो lord आपके ascendant में बैठ गया. We typically
Okay.
don't like that health issue in your kundli, and plus that planet is retrograde. This is going to take some time, okay? आपके ascendant के left hand side पे sun राहु है, right hand side पे sun Mars है. This is called Papkatri Yoga. So this surgery is needed. Now
Right.
let's look what is aspecting your sixth house. Mars is aspecting your sixth house. Mars denotes surgery always. अब दशा किसकी चल रही है? दशा चल रही है सन राहु की. Sun is the lord of vulnerability, the eighth house. And Rahu is sitting with Sun directly aspecting the sixth house.
Right.
Jupiter is the lord of third and lord of expense. When did the doctor say you should do this surgery?
Doctor said ASAP. I was supposed to do it like a couple of months back, but then it is now scheduled for November 14th.
Sun, November 14th is Sun Rahu. Sun Jupiter में तो I would advise you not to do it at all. And that
Okay.
dasha starting December 13th. वो तो भूल जाओ, मत करो.
Okay.
Sun Rahu है, but give on 1 second. The problem is आपके 6th house पे you have Sun, Rahu, Mars, Saturn all aspecting that house. 7, 8, 9, 10. No debilitated. Let's check the Navams. Can you give me 1 second if you don't mind?
Yeah. Sure.
Because हमें एक वर्गा देखना है आपका, which is recovery वर्गा. Recovery varga says if you have a surgery, how successful will it be? This is something which we must check before we give you an answer. We typically don't do this.
Yeah.
So recovery में moon बैठा है.
Mm-hmm.
Moon बैठा है and the Lord Sun is sitting in his own house. Mars भी again aspect कर रहा है. As far as I don't see Ketu, you should be fine. My suggestion is go ahead with it.
Okay.
Go ahead with it. You should be fine. But mind you, with with Shani, Mars aspecting that house and Mercury squeezed, your recovery might take a little longer than normal.
Okay. Okay. They have said that it would be around 8 to 12 weeks, but then obviously there are things with things might go wrong. So yeah.
I don't think anything is going to go wrong. But do
Okay.
it. But try doing it before December 13th. It's just better for you.
Yes.
It's just
Okay.
I don't like the dasha that's coming in December 13th. Sun Jupiter in this kundli, I don't like it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes, thank you
dasha
so
kar
much,
lo.
sir.
Bye. Good luck.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you so much for your question. If you would like to know more about anything else, do connect with Dr. Bhatia 408-639-5300. So we were talking about the 9th house.
Yeah, 9th house is the house of luck. It is the house of import export. It is कि इस जन्म में आपने क्या किया जो अगले जन्म में लेके जाओगे. It is the house of father. It is also the house of what you have. Basically, research
Okay.
and long-term travel. जो काम के लिए बहुत travel करते हैं.
Mhm.
9th house is very strong. Now we'll move to 10th. The 10th house is the house of career. 6th was how you will, what career you will do. 10th is how people above you will treat you. So
yeah.
if you have very strong 10th house, you become CEO. Very strong 10th house. Remember the planet जो 10th house में बैठा है impacts you more in your chart than even the planet sitting in your first house.
Oh.
10th house planets are the strongest in any kundli. In fact, if you want to study a house, you must always study 10 houses away and see कि उसमें क्या बैठा है.
So
That-
we want good planets in 10th house.
We want, yes. 10th house is also called Upache house, which means anything placed here will become stronger over time.
Yeah.
ये जो घर है, इसमें अगर sun आ जाता है, many astrologers will say you're going to go work for the government, straight. But that is not necessarily true. It is a possibility. When we see sun, we see independent. We see sun क्या है? Leader है.
Ruling.
A ruling planet. He can also be a little cruel. He can also be very beneficial by giving people a direction in life. Sun's
Dictating.
job is to provide other people. And when sun comes in the 10th, you will do that career. So 10th house, energy level high hoti hai. Think of a CEO of a company. They have 10th house. Now 10th में अगर राहु बैठ जाता है, it gives you brilliance in acting profession.
Oh.
Right? Because Rahu will expand. So 10th house में जो planet है, that becomes most important in your chart.
Okay.
If Venus is sitting there, yes, you want a life of luxury. You could
Luxury.
get into real estate.
Okay.
You could get into acting. You could get into modeling. These are possibilities. Astrology is possibilities, right?
Yes.
10th house जो है ये अभी hip bone हो गया, इससे नीचे जाएंगे.
Okay.
So now it's knees. Knee pain is related to 10th house. Bad aspects on this. So you could be a CEO coming and saying, I have knee pain. And now we'll see a Saturn aspecting that. And then which other body part is being aspected. So
Right.
now we will then jump to 11th house, which is Bhavya Bhag, the house of luck and gains. When you work in a business, you earn a salary. That is second house. 11th house is residual income. It
Okay.
is the house of what you want and what you want to give others. It is the house of degree recognition. If you have good aspects on this house, you will be popular. You will be famous. इस घर को importance बहुत देते हैं. जो डिग्रीज मिलती है आपको PhDs, they're all 11th house.
11th,
That's how you study them.
Mhm.
Social circle, 11th house. अगर आपका 11th lord second में बैठ गया है, you will make money through your friends. Because 11th is gains.
Okay.
Second is money. 11th is also friends.
Mhm.
Friends money के घर में बैठ गए. You will make money through friends. If second lord goes to 11th, you will help your friends get money. You have to
Okay.
think of it that way.
Hmm.
If 11th lord is sitting in 12th, you will lose your gains. You will have cycles of up and down in your life.
Mhm.
So 11th lord जो है, this is also ankles and feet.
Mhm.
That is the body part that is tied with this.
Okay.
It is also related with ears and hearing. 11th house important होता है because अगर इस पे damage हो, you won't have much gains left in your life. You hear of many people, पैसे आ रहे हैं लेकिन बचते नहीं.
बच नहीं रहे.
That's because there must be a dasha of the bad planet, which is the 11th house. तो 11th house अगर इतना अच्छा है, then why is its lord considered to be the worst? 11th lord is the most negative lord in astrology. वो जहाँ देखता है डैमेज करता है. Why? Because in order to succeed and get gains, you have to work hard.
Mhm.
And when you work hard, you go away from this path of spirituality. You tend to focus on making money.
Oh.
अगर इसमें I'll give you a classic example. A retrograde Jupiter in a woman's chart in the 11th house almost always indicates second marriage.
Okay.
Jupiter is a husband.
Hmm.
11th house means gains, more husbands.
Okay.
Retrograde Jupiter already lost its strength.
Hmm.
And retrograde Jupiter in 11th is telling you you are going to lose one husband and gain another. And जब दशा राहु की आएगी, I have seen charts in which Rahu, Jupiter are sitting together, multiple marriages.
Oh.
Same way for a man, Venus,
Venus.
retrograde Venus in the 11th
11th.
can indicate multiple wives.
Wives.
So remember, it's not always true, but it's an indication.
Right.
ये आपके desire goal का घर है. And finally 12th house. 12th is called an expense house. We don't like this house in terms of having any planet here. यहाँ जो planet आ जाता है वो थक जाता है. It's already lost its energy.
Okay.
Sun in this house will cause, you could be a leader, but sun means internally you're very weak.
Okay.
यहाँ पर जो planet है, it shows how weak you are and how vulnerable you are. It is also the house of confinement, jail, prison,
Oh.
how you will die, where you will die. It is also house of foreign land. So जो आते हैं कहते हैं कि हमें, we want to immigrate, we're not sure we want to stay in this country. You have to see this house. It is also the house of moksha. अगर केतु यहाँ बैठ जाए and Ketu is exalted and there is a direct aspect of Jupiter, you're a good soul. I cannot guarantee you आपको मोक्ष मिलेगा, but you're a very good soul, you'll do good stuff. It is also the house of pilgrimage. You will travel from one place to another. Again, for women it is right eye, for men it is left eye.
Okay.
Right? And this again, the body part is the sole of your feet. Right? जब कृष्ण भगवान की डेथ हुई थी,
पैर में चुभा था.
पैर में
हाँ.
चुभा था. It was related to the 12th house. Look at his kundli. The 12th house had the aspect, the dasha was of the 12th house and Shani tha. So it indicated that he has to pass away with an aspect of the 12th house. ये hidden house है, confusing सा house होता है. It's also pleasure of the bed. So people who are in the wrong profession, we can determine that from here. People who, just go around have, with multiple partners, we see that in the 12th house. But 12th house is also the house of luxury, fame. जिनकी reputation अच्छी होती है, वो भी 12th house से दिखता है. So काफी कुछ दिखता है इन घरों से. There is no aspect of human life which cannot be seen from this house.
Right. We are left with just 4 more minutes and we are getting a couple of calls. Can we quickly take a call?
We'll try taking one call. उसके बाद नहीं होगा, unfortunately.
जी. Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia.
Oh, thank you for taking my call. So I'm calling for my son. His date of birth is May 29, 2015. And he has been very sick and I just wanted to know about his health.
You wanted to know about his what?
Health.
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 May 29th, 2015 is Friday. What is his time of birth?
Around 11 o'clock at night, maybe 11:30 p.m., something like that.
Okay. And where was he born? What is his place of birth? Well, we can't hear.
Hello.
If we can't hear that part, then we won't be able to do anything.
No, I think, the connectivity. Yeah, connectivity is the problem. So we are almost at the end of our show. We won't be able to take any more calls. आप डॉक्टर साकेत भाटिया से डायरेक्टली बात कर सकते हैं. जो भी क्वेश्चन है आपका, जो भी कंसर्न है, 408-639-5300 is the number. Once again, it's 408-639-5300. Or if you're driving, can't take down the number, do connect with him through the website saketbhatia.com. So we are just left with 2 more minutes in the show.
See, many people come into my office and say, I'm looking at my birth chart, my sun is in Scorpio, but I'm a Sagittarius. ये ऐसा क्यों है? देखिए, Western astrology is all about where, in Western astrology, what we do is, we look at the sun and we assume that the zodiac is going around the sun. And then we divide into 30 parts. In Vedic astrology, हम क्या करते हैं? हम actually देखते हैं कि zodiac कहाँ है. And remember, the earth has a tilt.
Yeah.
And the earth goes round the sun in an elliptical orbit, not a circular orbit.
Yeah.
इसीलिए every 72 years the sun's degree has to be pulled 1 degree back because
Right.
that is more accurate. So over the last thousands of years, जब से Western astrology बनी है, the sun has been pulled back 23 degrees. So if your sun is anything more than, I would say 7 degrees, he has now come back in the other zodiac sign.
Right.
So remember कि your sun sign in Western and Eastern is completely different. The concept is same. In Western astrology, we give most emphasis to sun, your soul. In Vedic astrology, we give emphasis to you. The sun is second, the moon is third. In fact, moon is second and sun is third. Because
Right.
ये जो body आपने ली है, that becomes more important. Your soul identity doesn't change. Next week, we'll talk about other aspects. Dasha, we'll talk about maturation of planets. Why दशा आती है लेकिन कुछ होता क्यों नहीं है किसी के साथ? Because planet mature नहीं
Mature
है.
नहीं है.
You must wait.
We have talked about this.
We will talk
थोड़ा
about it
बहुत.
again because people seem confused. We
Yes,
get emails.
yes,
So till then,
absolutely.
I mean, we are out of time. Hopefully, we'll connect again next week. We'll have another show here in the studio. And thank you for all the listeners for listening to me. And I'll get back again next week and I'll give it to Vedika from here.
Thank you so much for being on air with us. And the listeners सुन रहे थे आप द साकेत भाटिया एस्ट्रोलॉजी शो. Do connect with Dr. Bhatia for any astrology or numerology related question by calling 408-639-5300 and the website is saketbhatia.com. With that, this is RJ Vedika signing off. Stay tuned. RJ Swati coming next with Cruise Control.
You are listening to Radio Zindagi, KZDG 1550 AM, San Francisco and the entire